Hello, everyone, and welcome back to EasySpeak podcast, the place where learning English feels natural and fun. I'm John.
Hi, John, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. It feels great to be here again.
It's always good to see you. Christina, how are you feeling today?
I'm doing really well. Thank you. I had a calm weekend, lots of tea, lots of rest. What about you?
Hmm, same here. And I'm really excited about today's topic because so many English learners struggle with it.
Now I'm curious. What are we talking about today?
Today's topic is the classic problem. I can understand English, but I can't speak it.
Oh, yes, I hear this all the time. It's so common.
Definitely. Students tell me, I watch movies, I listen to podcasts, but when I try to speak, my mind just freezes.
Yes, the words disappear like poof, gone.
Exactly. It feels like your voice is locked away somewhere. But don't worry. Today, we're going to share practical, simple, and powerful tips to help you unlock your English voice.
Interesting. Change how we listen, but people already understand English, right?
Understanding is great, but speaking requires active listening, not passive listening.
Active listening, meaning
Passive listening is when English is just in the background. Active listening means repeating. I hear a sentence. I pause. I say it.
like a technique I know, shadowing.
Exactly. Shadowing means you become the shadow of the speaker. You copy the rhythm, the tone, the music of the language.
That sounds a little challenging.
It can be, but start small. One sentence, pause. Repeat. Your mouth learns the sound automatically.
English mode sounds like a superpower.
It basically is. Choose a few minutes a day when you think only in English and talk to yourself.
Talk to myself? John, people will think I'm a little crazy.
Only talk when you're alone. Narrate your actions. I'm making coffee. Where's the sugar? Oh, here it is. Simple, everyday language.
Oh, like, I'm sitting here. I'm talking to John. I'm having fun.
Exactly. It may feel silly, but it forces your brain to produce English instead of only understanding it.
Chunks? Like pieces of cake.
That too. But I mean language chunks. Instead of memorizing single words, learn useful phrases.
Example.
Instead of point, learn. That's a good point. Instead of mean, learn. You know what I mean.
Yes. These feel ready to use. I don't need to build the whole sentence.
Exactly. Chunks make speaking faster and more natural.
Every day, I'm busy, John.
You don't need an hour. Just 5 to 10 minutes daily is more powerful than one big study session.
Oh, like exercising a muscle.
Yes, your English muscle must stay active.
Oh no, John, I hate hearing my own voice.
Everyone does. But recording is extremely helpful. Ask yourself a simple question like, what did I do today? Record. Speak. Then listen and notice what feels difficult.
So, I become my own teacher?
Exactly.
Role play? Like acting?
Yes, pretend you're ordering food, checking in at the airport, or having a job interview.
Let me try. Hello, welcome. What would you like to order? I'd love a pizza, please.
Perfect. It trains your brain to react quickly.
Oh, the fear of mistakes. That one is so real.
Everyone fears mistakes. But here's the truth. Mistakes mean you're learning. Mistakes mean you're brave.
Wow, I never thought of it that way.
Perfection isn't the goal. Communication is. Speaking is a two-way action. Listen, reply, listen, reply.
Yes, the replying part is the hardest.
So practice it. Use an AI chat, a study partner, or simply practice answering out loud.
Everything connects. Active listening, active thinking, active replying.
Exactly. These tips help move English from your mind to your mouth.
John, these tips were so helpful. I feel motivated.
And you should. You're doing great. Before we go, if you enjoyed this episode, please like and subscribe to EasySpeak podcast. It helps more learners find us.
And leave a comment. Which tip will you try first? Shadowing? Recording your voice? Talking to yourself? We love reading your answers.
Thank you all for joining us today. Keep practicing and don't be afraid to speak.
See you in the next episode. Bye for now.